We are track number 10. We're halfway through the album. Track number 10, 007. This one I've been looking forward to see what I go on. You see me the collab, yeah. You see me, this is Valiant and Najeeriii. You see me? But Najeeriii, I don't know. Najeeriii have one of the sickest flow out in a dancer right now. You see me? And only talent. Artists up and coming artists right now. You see me? One of the artists newcomers right now. You see me? So I'm interested to see how they work together. You see me? Yeah, man. Because Najeeriii be driving some hot songs. You don't know if Valiant. But we're interested to see how versatile Najeeriii. You see me? And see how them work together. You see me? So, but yeah, man. We are track number 10. You see me? Which is 007. This is our Valiant's 414 album. And this one is featuring Najeeriii. So we are going to see what dog them a deal with. You see me? So we're not going to vibe much longer. We'll jump right in the track. Let's get it. Yeah. Bro, the same producer is back, bro. This the producer that produced Crypto. You see me? So more see what that. Come on, yo, this one should be fire, bro. Come on. Yeah, pop. Yeah. This is what they got. Easy.
I took the place, I'm an half rock name brand. Walk with the matic like a me name James Bond.
That took the place, I'm in half real name brand. Walk with the matic like a me name James Bond. Oh, I'm tuning about.
Big food that I travel can't track it through the paper.
Yeah.
Dial random when I have to use papers. She want rich niggas and pop in. Did a scam, bricks lift for pranks from sin. Been a twang pa, bitch give a tap from Sid. Be my job, kill drip and
more mash up people. Oh bro, more mash up people. This a collab, yeah, bro. Do you hear the beat? When you hear the beat, dog, more pull it up. When you hear the beat, dog. I saw it coming, dog. The man I said, yo, we dial random now if you use papers and it be coming. And Najeeriii, bro, that's how you can lie, bro. Yeah, man, that track your bad no bomb. I want to take it from the top. But no, we're going to take it from right here, bro. Come on, let's get it. No, I'm going to drop it from right before Najeeriii come back in. This is fire. Who in that chat? Say a lie, me I tell. This fire, dog. Yeah, cause bro, the whole time I said, "Oh, we man blow." Najeeriii gonna work on it, bro. Let's get it, bro. Come on.
Big food that I travel can't track it through the paper. Dial random when I have to use papers. She want rich niggas and pop in. Did a scam, bricks lift for pranks from sin. Been a twang pa, bitch give a tap from Sid. Be my job, kill drip a lot for the kid. Drip a 6 brick a lift for a watch.
Bro, a long time in a feature like this in a blood tea dance now. Big man thing. Long time in a collab like this, bro. You know you are going, bro? Bro, come on now. This wicked now.
Rich bitch I bring drip a kicks in a box. Hill figure box in the brick if a rich chick a lick bigger cock. I will drink in a lot so a kidney a rock. I took the place I'm an half rock name brand.
Man say she want a rich nigga pop in nigga. This I go on my playlist, dog. I'm tuning, man. Yeah, man. Yo, I'm telling you, this man taking you on a journey, yo. Valiant. Bro. Clad. This nigga got 414 and blood clad. Massacre 438, dog. A whoosh on I got. Whoo. Hey, we are going.
Walk with the matic like a me name James Bond. Big food that I travel can't track it through the paper. Dial random when I have to use papers. Big dog, big pocket. This funny gal in the coupe, turn on the tip. Shiny gal bend over on the front seat, spin pan it. White.
Hey, no better. Yeah, I'm telling you, Najeeriii, the youth there. Yeah, man. on the right, come on, the youth is a threat. Najeeriii, bro, that flow the man got, dog. She want everything up.
T-shirt, Air Force, that symbolic. Transaction just make ya invalid. Watching it.
Bro, I told y'all, man, this one I've been looking forward to the whole night. I'm like, yo, from I seen the lineup and I'm going to the names, I'm like, yo, this one, I'm looking forward to this one. You see me? Yeah.
Girls, she love us the same time. White girl with a big body, that exotic. For traffic, me no take stopping. Your white T-shirt.
White girl with a Benz body, exotic. Fuck me with that. Hey, easy the one.
Brand new cloud, cheap and clean. Just the car.
I mean, brand new clocks, cheap and clean. Just step off. I want to tell you the cheap. Don't ever do this cheap and clean. You can come with the one bag of drip and this and that and go to this and one bag and you just beat them, come on, man. And that alone I beat them with a broadboard. Sometimes cheap and clean better than all of these big bag of, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Cheap and clean been there for most niggas, then designer been there for most niggas, bro. You see me? Cheap and clean is there.
Let's get win. Millions make
now, so buy all the nice things in the Canada, don't get it twisted, you see me?
every day. Let's get win. I took the place, I'm enough run name brand.
Hey, enough run name brand.
Walk with the matic like a me name James Bond. Big food that I travel there and track it through the paper.
What's up?
Dial random and I have to use papers.
Yo, Valiant. Tell him don't play with the youth. Tell him don't play with the youth. Yeah, man. Valiant. Tell him don't play with you, dog. You see me? Yo, you come to make a statement with this album, my G. You see me? All the people with ears and are listening going to hear this, you know. He's going to hear but I hear you, my G. This is an album for real. Come on, man. It's like you had an idea where you want to take people, the journey you want to take people on, bro, and you went on. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't like this album put together like you ain't a try a thing. It's like, yo, me have a vision, I have a journey I want to take. This is the story I want, and I have something I can, and that's what the album is doing, bro. It's taking you on that journey, bro. You see me? But only who have ears to the music and know dancehall and know music and love them can see where you are, but me see where you are, do me, G. No joke, me see where I do, bro. You see me? This was not me a try a thing type thing. Like how enough people can come on and drop a EP and they drop a this or they drop a that kind of try a thing they don't want, you know? Yeah, man, you doing that thing, man. That's a journey, man. No joke.